So I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. We'll build a simple, repeatable flow that keeps everything organized, visible, and on schedule, so your new teammate knows exactly what to do from day one and you can track progress without chasing updates. We'll start by creating an onboarding list. In your ClickUp workspace, go to the space where you manage HR or People Ops. Click the New List button, name it New Hire Onboarding, and click Create List. Think of a list as a container that holds all the tasks for this process. Keeping onboarding in its own list makes it easy to reuse, report on, and adjust over time as your process improves. Next, add the onboarding tasks. Click the plus button to create a task, then type the steps your new hire needs to complete, such as account setup, orientation, and training. Press Enter after each task to add the next one. Keep task titles short and clear, and if you want to provide context, add a brief note inside the task so expectations are crystal clear without including any sensitive information. You can also drag and drop tasks to prioritize what should happen first, which helps the new hire focus on high-impact items. Now assign the task to the new hire. Open a task, click Assignee, and select the new hire from your workspace. Assigning ownership ensures the task appears on their to-do list right away. Double-check you've chosen the correct person, especially if multiple people share similar names. If another team member is responsible for a specific item, like IT for account setup, assign that task to them while keeping the rest with the new hire so accountability stays clear. Set due dates to keep everything on track. Open each task, click Due Date, and choose a realistic deadline. Consider the new hire's start date, their first day schedule, and any dependencies between tasks. Adding due dates makes it easier for the new hire to plan their first week and gives managers a clear timeline for follow-up. If something changes, it's easy to adjust the date so the plan stays accurate. Finally, track progress by updating task statuses. As work moves forward, change tasks from to do to in progress and then to completed. Encourage the new hire to update statuses themselves so everyone can see progress at a glance. Regularly reviewing the list helps you spot what's blocked and keeps the onboarding experience smooth and predictable. And that's how you use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.